Yes, my people, good day. Tana! We are with the big three today, Mr. Chevy Bowtie, okay? Right, customer states. Coolant is going down. Have to keep refilling it. So we are going to pressure test the system because it was low. It was all the way down to here and I just stopped it back up. See where the leak is coming from. This is the kit a lot of people ask me. A few people ask me. Straight Amazon special. I don't have my affiliate link yet. So just go ahead and get what you need. So see there, that's what I use. Let me show you what it look like. Boom. Yeah, but see it there. And it does most of what I need done. So that is the pump. It have the vacuum setup and then it has an assortment of fittings. I haven't used all of them, but I have used a few so far. That fit a Bentley, that fit a BMW, and what is? That fit BMW too. So we're going to figure one out that is going to fit this guy here. So you kind of look. Roll the dice, roll the dice, roll the dice. All right, so this look like. Why they make it pink though? They know it fit a Chevy. Bam! Look at that. That's good. I wonder why they make it pink. Fit onto here. Boom. Then we need both hands. I lose here somewhere. Look like it's not seal up properly. Look like it's not the right one. All right. Need to look for one like this. So let's go again. Thought it was going to be the pink one. This not look too bad. Look at the distance from here. So we have this one that look like that. This BMW one. Take this too. And all right. Blood seed there. Jano. That gun, you know? Hi. Blast, I'm scared. Hello, 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 hello. Right, you can kind of see it. Hey. Ah, boy. I tell you. Attempting to fish this thing out of the abyss is a work of art requiring tremendous faith. Just be patient, you can get it. I'm just switching it around so I can get to the metal tab. Then reach for your trusty telescoping magnet, catch on to that piece, and then carefully bring it up. You see that? Boy, a good thing because think I might have found it. Let's try this one here. Yeah, finally building pressure. All right, that's good. Right around 15 psi should be good. Then we're going to look around for leaks, but monitor the pressure. It's not falling off too fast, but it is falling off. Found it. Look down there, all the way down to the lowest part. See that wetness down there? Coming from the front of the engine. And the only thing on the front of the engine right there that would leak like that is the water pump. All right, found it. Take a look up. Take a look up. Yep, that's the water pump pulley. Those are drips of coolant coming out the water pump. See the room that we have to work with? That's the space. That's the space we are given. So we know at least that we need a water pump. We'll check the vehicle out, check everything else. We can just call her one time and tell her all I'm locate, and then she can instruct me which direction she want to go after that. Yeah, man, thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bless. Yeah.